Hi there. Welcome to Orbital Adventures, where we break down science's biggest mysteries in quick, 2-minute stories. Welcome to the chemistry behind everyday foods. Ever wondered what makes your favorite foods taste so good? Let's explore the science that makes it all happen. First, let's talk about sugar. When you taste sweetness, it's because sugar molecules interact with taste receptors on your tongue. These molecules dissolve in the saliva and bind to receptors, sending sweet signals to your brain. This simple chemistry makes sugar a key ingredient in everything from cookies to sodas. Next up is salt. Salt isn't just for flavor, it enhances it. Salt molecules help to balance sweetness and reduce bitterness. They also interact with proteins and carbohydrates, affecting texture and preserving food. That's why a pinch of salt can make a big difference in a dish. Now let's dive into acids. Foods like lemons, tomatoes, and vinegar contain acids that add a tangy taste. These acids, mainly citric and acetic acid, also help in preserving food and balancing flavors. They can even change the color of foods, like turning red cabbage blue. Ever wondered how bread rises? That's thanks to yeast. Yeast is a type of fungus that ferments sugars in the dough, producing carbon dioxide gas. This gas creates bubbles, making the bread rise and giving it a fluffy texture. This process is known as fermentation. Lastly, let's talk about enzymes. These proteins are crucial in many cooking processes. For example, in the ripening of fruits, enzymes break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, making the fruit taste sweeter as it ripens. From sugar to salt, acids to yeast and enzymes, the chemistry behind everyday foods is truly fascinating. It's what makes our meals delicious and varied. Thanks for joining us on this tasty journey into food chemistry. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious science. At Orbital Adventures, we're also creating fun kids books that inspire learning geography through storytelling. Scan the QR code now to explore and get your copy.